Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Redmi 10 and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings and here we have to scroll down to find privacy protection. Now let's scroll down again and tap on special permissions, and here we have to find the option which is called install unknown apps. Now let's wait a second. And as you can see here, we've got the list of apps which are allowed or not allowed, like in my case, to install something. Of course, you can change it. For example, let me pick Chrome and tap on this switch right here. And as you can see here, we've got the warning that if you will allow particular app to install some content, then you may have to remember that you're doing it on your own responsibility, because some third-party apps aren't verified by the developer. So you may put the data on your device on risk or at risk. So if you're ready, if you can see this this warning, just tick this option that you're aware of the possible risks and simply tap on OK. As you can see, it is active, and after getting back, you can see whenever the Chrome is. Okay, it's here. So right now the Chrome is allowed to install some content. Of course, it will work the same with all other apps, and you can turn it off whenever you want to. Just tap on Chrome, of course in my case, and tap on the switcher again, and after getting back you can see that the Chrome is not allowed to install anything. So actually this is it. This is how to allow unknown sources in your Redmi 10. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.